Hi guys, these three things are very good for cough and for chest pains, and we should all have them in winter. This is Tellington, this is peppermint, and this is Borscht Strapals. Mix drops of each in the water and drink. Sometimes I take it with sugar or honey and take the spoon of Tellington to take away that quite that pain here. That is that I think when we cough now. But that is not the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video is to show you how you can mix Tellington now with condensed milk for ulcer. Tellington, I've been having an ulcer lately and I don't want to be sick. I'm also having a flu. So for flu, I just do this. This is condensed milk. But they say honey and sugar, but sometimes it has a way of taking quarter from me when I take it like this. It's ugly. Mm. It takes away that cough. Remember, I said I have cough. But for ulcer, I'm mixing it with condensed milk. Oh, I've thrown away the bottle for condensed milk. You know, the condense. So, you take it on an empty tummy, and then it bites the ulcer. It sends the ulcer away from you. Then it becomes a mixture. It is not the only thing that we take for ulcer. We also take icukuma. I've planted icukuma. Those who live by the beach, especially in Cape Town, I always get icukuma by the beach. I forgot its name in English. It's quite a big name, icukuma, that I take for ulcer. But this mixture now for ulcer, where we mix condensed milk and Tellington, it looks like this. Because I'm in bed and I'm feeling sick, I'm not gonna be nice about it, but it looks like this. Look, it looks brownish, ne? It's good for ulcers. While we also use Tellington for other things, but I'm going to take a spoon now. Challenge is I'm on diet and these things are sweet. But when you are sick, you stop all this thing about the diet. When I'm a child again, when I feel like I'm younger, guys, wakhe wayikhotha itot yogurt when people bengakuboni nje buyi adult. Ubise nje when your child like character comes out. Ndiyayikhotha sometimes when the kids don't see me. When I had a baby, I used to quickly eat nestam when people don't see me. By the way, I was still a child when I had a baby. So, cheers!